Hello. This video demonstrates an elastic pattern based on the bunny ears stitch that I first showed in this video. 3 stitches make up the knit part, while 2 stitches make up the purl one. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, the repeat pattern is knit 2. From the next 3 stitches, we form 4 loops. Purl 1 2 rows down of the middle loop. Yarn over, purl 1 again, and purl 3 together. From 3 loops we made 4. Repeat, knit 2, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, and purl 3 together. Keep knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 2 right side. Purl 2 stitches for a divider. From the 4 loops formed in the previous row, we make the rabbit ears. Knit 2 together through the front, yarn over and again knit 2 together through the front. Repeat. Purl 2. Knit 2 together, yarn over and knit 2 together. Keep knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side, here things get simpler. Knit 2, purl 3. Knit 2, purl 3. Keep knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 4 right side, similar to the previous row. Purl 2, knit 3. Purl 2, knit 3. Keep knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. I have presented you with an elastic knit of unique braids with light open work, rich volume, and a lot of texture. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations, and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.